We have our patient, Jersey Guy, today, and we have Gummy Jean helping.
Hello.
Mr. Jersey Guy, how are you?
Doing wonderful.
Now, you've got a bump on your back here that you've come in for this Friday afternoon. How long have you had it?
I'd say about 6 months.
Okay. Has it ever drained or leaked or anything like that?
No.
Okay, great. All right, you ever had something like that before?
I've had smaller ones.
Okay. So you have an epidermoid cyst we're going to remove for you. And you don't mind if we video your procedure for our friends on YouTube or Facebook or
Why not?
whatever the social media venue of the hour is. And Gummy Jean's going to spray a little cold spray there, and you're going to feel a little injection. Stick, sting, and a burn. Well, that's funny. Gonzo's here today, too.
Yeah, she's on the phone.
She could have come in just to say stick, sting, and a burn for us. That would have been some fun, huh?
I thought about going to get her, too. I should have.
Oh, it would have been fine. You said 15 blade. We're going to come right there. We're 4x magnified. And sometimes when we're editing these, we'll go ahead and we'll increase the magnification, so it could be twice that by the time you're seeing this on YouTube.
Oh, that just makes me feel blood. I'm kind of tired of that feeling like a little bit.
Little curved hemostat here. Is that Jilly Gum leaving?
Mm-hmm.
Jersey Guy, you got here just in time.
Oh.
A little bit later, and we may have already been on our way out. Especially, I heard that we're having a little hail out there.
Are we?
That's what Jenny Lee was saying.
I'm going to get a massage before I go home.
Oh, yeah?
I need one.
You feeling any pain, buddy? Good. Spreading with the scissors. I'm gonna make sure I'm not blocking the camera with my head. Cause standing up. I like to do these standing up, Gummy Jean.
Can you remove this chair?
No. Let's not go crazy. So we're just widening the opening a little bit here. Do a little scissor dissection here. It's a little deeper than I thought.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Whoa. Got ya.
Yeah, it's definitely a cyst. As opposed to a lipoma, which we thought that was always, that's always a possibility. You get in there and it's actually a, yeah, there it is. Yeah, that you actually have a lipoma, even though it feels like an epidermoid cyst. But sometimes when we empty these first, it makes it easier to dissect them out.
baby.
Thank you. These look nice and shiny.
Hope they got nice and dull.
Those other ones, they've
Did you
been.
throw them in the trash?
I need to. Well, we've got the sack out now,
Okay.
so that's the important thing here. Right?
Yeah.
As long as we get that sack out now. There's the vast majority of the sack. Let me hand that off to you. I say vast majority because I'm not 100% convinced there's not more in here, but so I'm going to cut this little piece of fibrous tissue right here. We're just going to remove it, leave out any possibility there's any more sac in there. Thank you. All right, your cyst is removed, my friend.
Oh.
This is so much easier than the last one we did that we were in the hair, remember? And the color of the suture was exactly
the
the same
same
with the
color.
hair. That was difficult.
That was Jilly's husband, wasn't it?
No, it was a different one. So some 5-0 Evelyn. We'll put these stitches in for you, my friend, and then we'll take them out in a week, okay?
Mhm.
Squeaky.
Mm-hmm.
I told Jennifer earlier that I needed a comfort animal because she was stressing me out. So she said she would give me a rat. I didn't know that they came in that size or that style.
Guys, guess who's here?
Uh-oh.
It's the gun.
Gonzo.
Did I miss the whole procedure? I was gonna come get you. I was like, well, she's busy, I'm sure. I should have.
Yeah, we were just
So that
thinking
you
about
could say
it.
stick, sting, and burn.
I have to teach my baby how to say it. We should make that his first words.
Right?
All right,
Stick,
then
sting,
we'll
and
cut right
burn.
there.
Someone.
Okay, my friend. Just 3 stitches, that's all it took.
Right.
Babe.
You're cyst free, and Jean's gonna put a dressing on that for you, and just leave it alone for a few days. They can get wet after that. And you get in the shower, just don't scrub on it, okay?
And don't put any ointments.
No ointment at
No
all.
ointments, okay.
No ointments, okay?
Today we showed your face. I'm just kidding.
So now I'm gonna zoom out just a little bit. See if I can make that. Oh, that was the wrong one. Zoom in. And how small that area is that we were working, so you guys can see. Okay, that was fun. Jersey guy, thanks for letting us record your procedure.
Thank you.
All right.
Hi, my name is Melissa, and I've been taking medicine for about 3 months right now. So far, I'm really loving this product. It's definitely helped me steer off of energy drinks, caffeine. That was my goal. I'm definitely trying to be a little bit more fit. So I would definitely recommend this product on Amazon. So catch me in the next 3 months, see how's it going. But so far, I'm loving this product.
Order yours today. There's an Amazon link in the description below.
Hey there, Dr. Gilmore fans. We have an update about Cocoa Skin Plus. It's the newest supplement from the marvelous mind of Dr. John Gilmore. The proprietary mix of high-potency biotin, extra virgin coconut oil, and vegetable extracts is great for thicker hair, stronger, healthier nails, and softer skin. So if you notice your hair lacks luster, your nails aren't what they used to be, or your skin is dry and chapped, it's time to check out Cocoa Skin Plus. I've personally found that it's way easier to prevent chapped lips than it is to treat them. And I used to take a coconut oil supplement for it, so switching over to Cocoa Plus was an upgrade for me. It was for Kelly too. Let's hear from her.
I used to take regular biotin for thicker hair, so switching over to Cocoa Skin Plus was a no-brainer.
Nice. We'll put an Amazon link below, so get your 90-day supply today.